The streetlights blur through falling tears. Cold pavement knows my name. I'm screaming words you'll never hear. The sky drowns out the pain. Your shadow fades in every drop, still follows where I go. I'm soaked in all the things we said, but never meant to show. I tried to hold the storm aside, pretended I was brave, but every step without your hand feels like a quiet grave. This is a cry lost in the rain. No one stops, no one stays. My heart breaks where the thunder hides. All the words I couldn't say. I'm falling apart without a sound, washed away, unseen again. This is a cry lost in the rain. And it sounds like calling your name. Your jacket still smells like goodbye, hanging by the door. I touch it just to feel you close. Then I'm alone once more. You said we'd be forever, like the sky would never change. But forever slipped right through my hands the moment you walked away. I watch our memories run down like rivers on my skin. I'd trade tomorrow just to hear you say my name again. This is a cry lost in the rain, mixed with every tear I hide. I learned how to smile for the world while slowly dying inside. I'm shouting love into the dark, but it just echoes back the pain. This is a cry lost in the rain, where nobody knows my name. If you ever see the clouds break down, know that I'm still here, dancing with the ghost of us, drowning in my fear. I stand in every storm again, if it meant you stay. But some loves fall like rainfall, then wash themselves away. This is a cry lost in the rain. No witness, no reply, just a heart that loved too deep, learning how to say goodbye. I'll let the water take my voice, let the sky feel what I can't explain. This is a cry lost in the rain. The last time I whisper your name, when the clouds finally clear one day, and the world feels warm again, you'll never know the sound I made. A cry lost in the rain. A cry lost in